Ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there, it's Philip20 and I'm back. Check it out. So we got the panel on the Midnight combiner box. You can see that I still haven't grounded it and I haven't tied the wires up. I'm pretty tired. I've got 10 panels up and running. There's a bunch of scratches on it, but these don't affect the performance of this stuff. It seems to be well functional. I mean, these things, you can obviously tell they was seriously used. So they was scratched up a bit. Oh look, a brand new bird turd. Stinking bird. Alright, so now we got 3,270 more watts installed, functioning, not grounded yet. I have to tie the wires up on this side as well. I'll put 1, 2, 3 more panels here. So like 1, 2, 3, and then it'll be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right here. So that'll fill up the top half of this roof right through there. And I won't be able to put any more panels. I'm basically full, and you know, there's not a lot more I could do unless I put solar panels on top of my kid's swing set across. But I'm not interested in spending more money. So I talked with the guy and he says he's gonna send replacement panels for all the damaged ones. That is awesome. I'm super excited already. Here's my ground wire. It runs all the way through. I got to run a ground wire on those panels. I got the wire laying there. I got a ground run up to the panel box over here. I mean, I got to reseal this stuff. It's leaking. Here's some more grounding wire that I got. I got to put these blocks up there and run my rails all the way across. So my blocks are going to go up there. Sorry, finger. It's going to go up there and run all the way across to put the rest of the panels up. I have to probably cut a couple more blocks, use some more tar, seal it all up and get it ready to go. And then I got to run wire up there before I put these panels in. That way I can go ahead and run the wire right up there. And then I can butt the panels up on the left right through there. And then I'll go straight across. So currently it's doing pretty well. Here's one of the panels that was damaged I found on the roof. It was underperforming, so I inspected it and then bam, it was a problem. I mean, what can you do? Use panels, but the guy's awesome. He's replacing the damaged ones. So that's what he said, and we'll see when he gets to it. And after we get everything straightened out, I'll send all you guys over towards him. That way you can get some killer deals for solar panels, because that's a steal. And let me tell you, these are really performing well. Let me tell you, they're not just kind of performing okay. They're doing good. 3,750 watts of polycrystalline right here. That's 3,750 watts. And this one is 3,270 watts currently. It'll be more later, but currently 3,270 watts. This solar array is making just about 100 watts more than that one. And that one's rated for 500 watts less. Why is that? Who knows? But I know those are pretty good panels already. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share the content. Get in the comment section below and ask me some questions about this solar array. Ask me why I did it wrong or right in your opinion. And I'm excited to hear your comments. This is Philip 20 with Solar Power, Electricity, and Electronics. Peace out.